Guys, so we're here at Gibraltar Falls. Yo!
Guys, I want to record it this time.
Hey guys.
We take it.
But it's my pre-birthday celebrations.
Yeah, close your eyes, open your eye.
It's so funny because it's my birthday. I shout to the birthday girl. Yeah. Yeah, kakaling ako may makukaaman. Hey guys! Oh crap, too bright. Welcome back to another vlog. So, just got back from breakfast, went to the cafe. My sister and my cousin and Lee came. And so we decided to go for a drive. I'm still on leave for the next 4 days. I know, pretty sucky that our holidays got cancelled. Couldn't go anywhere because of the whole COVID thing. And also Siaosi's better. But we're going for a drive with the peeps. Pretty tight knit at the moment.
It's not me.
It's a sardine can in here. I don't know if you guys remember us coming here like back in 2017. We came here when we went to the snow. Look how nice that is. I want to go under there. Oh my gosh! No, but there's a gate down there that you can go. Aussie, go and put your flag out, Lee.
Oh, from up there. Oh, from down there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there too. If you want to go there.
Wow, Lee, look your waterfall.
What do you want? No, you're too small.
Vicky, just step down. Are you serious?
You're gonna start up there.
Oh, bro, I'm already Silla. Why would it come the dumbest way? Wait. Did you crack your phone? I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay.
Yes. Nah.
Wait, so that means this water comes here?
Yeah.
Yeah, kinda easy.
Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Molly, please don't slip down. Yes. Molly, okay, oy. Shh. Guys, so we're here at Gibraltar Falls. Oh my gosh, this is such a good selfie. Look. Look forward. You should have brought it here. I put that fellow. Kali, kulong ako din ma. Wait, stay there. Yeah. You trying to get up?
Bruh. I just lost my shoes.
Molly! Lee, don't go too far with photos, yeah? I know, so many people have died from that, eh? Trying to get a good selfie. Can they see? Can someone hold this camera? I want to get like a photo. Like.
Okay, move back to you.
Did it take?
Huh?
Go again. Yo.
Oh my gosh, we found this secret place. It's like a valley. I've never seen this before. Oh, it's a Corin Dam.
What's that?
Are we not meant to go
Private.
No, it's blocked.
Oh, this is where
This is
seals work.
amazing. No.
Wow, it's your work.
No, oh my god. They pump water.
No, they pump it from Gugon. Oh, probably from here too. Look at us, we're just the adventurous bunch today.
Look under here.
Oh wow.
I wonder why they don't like you.
It looks like such a beautiful place, huh? Is this how far it goes? Well, seeing as we couldn't use it on our Gold Coast trip, this is as good as it's gonna get. You have a slide one. What are you doing?
Alright, we got stuck up there, Vicky. We got stuck because they had to push you down and they couldn't push us down. So we just laughed off our embarrassment and we had to grab a hold of the things and pull out our own selves.
I don't know if this is waterproof. No, I'm just Googling it.
Jimmy.
Oh, it is waterproof. Yeah, stop, you press the same thing.
And how do you flip it over? Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo! Guys, we are about to go on the slide again. Look how pretty. Everyone's out sunbaking their buns. Here's my mummy and my pretty auntie and her little dog. I want to record it this time.
Hey guys.
Can we take it? Can Lee and I take it?
So we're going on this ride and it is so scary, but being fobs, we couldn't even push ourselves down the thing. Where we record them that they can't push themselves out.
I want to go take it out of the water and see if it goes.
Go.
Should I?
Yeah.
So guys, we're just gonna test if this is actually waterproof. Eddie, you want to go underneath with this? And I'm so scared that this isn't waterproof. Anyway, okay. Looks fine to me. Looks fine to me. Oh, it was. That's good.
Oh, that's waterproof.
We are heading up. It is so steep, so we have to like walk all the way up here. So last time we went up, we got stuck and wasn't fun. Guys, look now. We finally made it to the top. I'm super excited. Me and Molly girl are going.
Okay guys, you're gonna see us go down. Probably get stuck, but that's all
We
right.
will get stuck like last time, but take two. I'll go to the front. Yo guys! This is the way that I go. Yeah. Oh.
Bye again.
Okay, ready, Molly? Okay, ready?
Wiggle!
We made it! That was so fun. I don't even think I recorded that. We got stuck, but we managed to wiggle our way out. Oh, is that waterproof? Yeah.
What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to another vlog with your girl Victoria. So Aussie's in the room. He's currently getting ready, but it's my pre-birthday celebrations and it's 2 days before my birthday. But I planned a birthday dinner last year and I don't think I uploaded that vlog. No, I didn't. This weekend, it's just me and my guy. It's so hot in this house because we don't have aircon. I'm so excited for dinner. We've got about an hour to go. I'm also just trying to upload a vlog right now.
What's up, guys? Today it's Friday. We just finished work. But you know what, guys? We're going to dinner tonight. It's early birthday for my wife, you know. Is it your birthday? Well, if I dinner. First dinner.
Yeah.
It's like a dinner why or that's your birthday. We say dinner one day or that's your birthday. Dinner. I'm gonna treat you like this, guys, you know. Good man, treat your wife like this. Yeah.
So we just finished our dinner. We didn't take the camera because we weren't I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to film in there, so we didn't take you guys. Did you have a nice night, Aussie?
Yeah.
It was such a nice night. Just the two of us.
Beautiful.
Bopping to the music. As we were leaving, a lot of guys were going there. Not just guys, but you know, like a lot of people were heading in there to use the bar. We're gonna head to my uncle's house because he's having a barbecue for his birthday because it's his birthday today. So we're just gonna go drop in and say hello and see my fams there. So yeah.
What's up guys, it's your boy Georgie. It's Sunday and today is my wife's birthday. So this morning I'm gonna give her my present. You know how much I love you, and if you watch this and you edit this video, I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate everything you've done for me. So I love you so much. I'm gonna give you this present for this 2021 and everything you want to do. So
Should I close my eyes?
yeah, close your eyes.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
A Fitbit? Wow. You do know I had one of these before, right? Oh my god, a Fitbit!
Well, you already sold it.
Huh?
You sold it.
Yeah, I sold it. I sold it because of how it made my wrist feel, but I'm really trying to focus on my health this year, so this is so timely, babe.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Kiss.
Birthday
This guy.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip.
Hey. Wow, it's such a beautiful cake. Thank you.
Do you want a piece of Oreo?
I'm so grateful for my gift, but I'm just like in two minds about it because I really do want a smartwatch. I think they're much better. I did just buy a G-Shock, guys. My eyes look really weird. I did just buy a G-Shock, but it doesn't serve the same purpose as a smartwatch would, and I really did want a smartwatch, but I'm just like in two minds about it because of the EMF, and the reason why I sold my Fitbit the last time was because my nerves were like getting, I don't know, it was just weird, like my left arm kept getting weaker and weaker. Uelese gotten me the same one, but I'm so grateful for his thoughtfulness because he did know that I was really going to try this year. With my health, I just can't with my eyes right now. I did not have good sleep last night. Guys, we just finished church. We're going to the mall. I'm so grateful, babe, that you got me a smartwatch, but I just wanted a different one just because, like I said, the other one gave me weird nerves feeling in my arm, so I just want to try out a different one to see if there's a change because I do want a smartwatch.
You guys like my necklace?
Yes, I
Yes, I want you to know if you like my necklace. We're gonna go to return this stuff, you know. I always tell you guys, this one, you never accept anything.
Babe, it's not even that. You should have known. I literally sold that same Fitbit. I sold it. There should have been a reason in your mind thinking, why did she sell it?
Last 2 months, guys, we always go to that shop and I saw her always standing there and look at that stuff.
Your idea was good, but you should have changed it. Got me a different one.
Okay.
I really wish this was like live because you guys give me a lot of good advice sometimes. And I am sure I would have really appreciated your review on some smartwatches. I want one that you can turn off Bluetooth because that's like, that constant radiation is just not the biz for me. Yeah, but I'm so happy. 28 years of my life, guys, with
Still too young.
With my man. And in 2 weeks is gonna be our 5th year anniversary. Where are you going?
I'm going home.
But why are you going this way?
I don't want to see the McDonald's open.
You don't even like McDonald's. We haven't had McDonald's for like 6 months.
I don't know. McDonald's is not good for your health.
You know what? And I'm grateful for everything that I have. I'm grateful for the 28 years that I've lived. I'm grateful for my husband, my parents, my family, my faith. So we've just given the thing to the front. Oh my gosh, I'm scared because there's a smoke coming. I'm not sure if we're allowed to film again. But so we just swapped the Fitbit. We gave it to the front desk. Now we're going to go and have a look at some of the other ones. So I don't need anything extremely expensive because, you know, I'm not an athlete. Just something that tells the time and...
You like that one?
Not really. I think you did get me the best one. I want this one, but it's way too much.
Yeah,
Okay? Yeah, you got me this one.
yeah.
Yep, 0455.
This is your present. So hopefully you like it
Thank you.
and enjoy it.
Thank you. We had to pay $100 extra for this one, but that was alright. I'm okay with it as long as it's not the same one. Okay guys, so we returned it as you guys see. We got the Fitbit Versa 3 here. I'm excited for this one. I didn't have this one before. I was trying to get a Garmin one, but I just couldn't justify the price difference, and like the features were not that different, just for like a TV screen kind of thing. Apparently Garmin use TV, it's like a TV screen with their LED lighting, but I mean that doesn't bother me. I don't care about that. So thank you to my baby boo boo. Thank you baby for my gift. I love it. It's just updating at the moment, and then we're going to go to dinner with the fams tonight. Hopefully everyone can make it. I mean, it's not a big deal if they can't. It is what it is. It was pretty last minute.
If you have your wife or your husband's birthday, you need to celebrate, guys, as much as you can. Not just about the money, but your love. Girlfriend or your boyfriend. Stop stealing the money from your parents. Ako, if you have your boyfriend or girlfriend's birthday, if you don't have money, just go and show your love.
Can you give us an example? Give us some example about that.
Just tell your boyfriend or your girlfriend, I'll come to your house to clean everything in your house. Come to show you in action.
What action?
Action, you know the action, guys. Action.
On our way to dinner now. We got this little boy here. And just waiting for Dad. Oi. Hello.
Hello.
I knew it. That's what you always say. Hello. Hello. Guys, look at my new watch.
What
Wait.
you watch?
Aww, look how nice. I said his name's Cowboy Mui. Crocodile skin. No, bottle crocodile.
We're here at the birthday dinner. So
We got Mum here, got Dad, Cowboy Dad. Mum's just going to get the food for Eben, and it's so funny because it's my birthday. I shout to the birthday girl, yeah. Yeah, kakaling ako may makukaawali. Ese fo ya fingo ya bese. E birthday I shout there, yeah, vaingala. Dad and Aussie have gone to utilize the other entertainment facilities that are available in a club. And I'm just waiting for everyone else to arrive. It's about $30 per head at this Star Buffet. And it's pretty empty. Hopefully it stays this way. No, they can't hear you. You have to speak up.
Is it on? I got sushi.
Yeah?
I got 1 sushi, 2 sushi, 3 sushi, 4 sushi.
Is this your mukbang? So everyone's been here for a while now. We've got the fams. We're all discussing our 2021 weight loss journeys. Oh, weight loss plans. So we're gonna have a fam biggest loser. Hey everyone! Enjoying yourselves. Guys, it is still my birthday for a few more hours, and we're heading over to my parents to go and take the cake there and pretty much just chill out there for another hour. I've got work tomorrow, so does Aussie, but just wanted to show you guys my cake one more time. I'm cracking up because it has my last name on there. I'm like, did he really need to go that far? Like, in case I forgot my last name. I love my husband. But I just want to give this time to really thank everybody who has responded to me on Facebook via Aussie's personal page, our joint Facebook page, my Instagram, and for the comments that are to come down below this video. I thank you so much in advance. From the bottom of my heart, from Aussie's heart, we appreciate you guys. Some of you guys have become like family to us. We always see your names, we recognize your names every time you guys comment. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. And I just thank you. 28 years, I've got so much to be thankful for. It's kind of dark in my house. Oh, there you go. And I just love my watch from my baby boo-boo. So I've added a few more photos. That photo's on my desk at work. This one's also on my desk at work. That one is one we took at the waterfall. I just love my watch so much. It's your birthday, it's your birthday, and we like to say many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, dear Victoria. Victoria. Happy birthday to you. And we are led to us. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip.
Hooray!
Yes, thank you for the cake, everybody.
Happy birthday, and I hope you liked your Snickers bar as your present.
I did, I ate it myself.
Hey! What did you